Players stick around longer when there's a reason to keep playing past their first base. Server Rewards gives you a point economy, where players earn RP and spend it on items, kits, or commands. This covers install, setup, and building your first store. Download Server Rewards from umod.org. Upload the file to Oxide plugins through your Physgun file manager, SFTP, or your server's plugin folder if you're self-hosted. Restart or run oxide.reload. It'll generate its own config and data folders after the first load. First, you need to grant yourself admin access. In your console, type oxide.grant group moderator serverrewards.admin. Swap moderator for whatever group should manage the store, like admin. Without this, you can't open the admin mode in-game. The config lives in oxide config serverrewards.json. This is where you control player transfers, sellback, exchange rates, transaction logging, and UI colors. Don't worry about all of it now, the defaults work fine on start. We'll focus on building your store next. Players can use /s to open the shop. As an admin, you also have access to /rp add, take, clear, and check. Each of these takes a player name or a Steam ID. Drop the / if you'd rather run them in console. To build your store, open the shop with /s and click admin mode in the bottom left. This only shows up if you have the permission from earlier. Every product now has an edit and delete buttons, plus an add product button at the bottom of each category. For a basic item, add product lets you set the name, amount, skin, price, cooldown, and any permission requirements. Hit confirm to save it to the store. You can also sell commands instead of items. Set the product type to command and write something like inventory.give to player ID wood 100. The $player ID gets swapped for the buyer's Steam ID automatically when they purchase. Other variables include $player.name and their world position. The one mistake that breaks command products is forgetting the $player.id variable and hardcoding a specific Steam ID instead. That command will only ever work for one player. Every other buyer will get absolutely nothing, and that other player will get rich. Always use the variable. If you want a Rust server ready for plugins like this, check out Physgun at physgun.com. Link in the description.